So now let's get back down here to our lightest colored ones. Just kind of smooth it down, cutting around the edge. Let's do another light one. So now I've got one here. Now I'm gonna go this direction. See that? Just like in nature. And one more this direction.
Looks all cabbagey.
Doesn't that look cool? So fun. Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely the details.
For sure.
With the little mild marbling and the veining and the, I guess it would be the thickness of the leaves. Mm-hmm. You know, the thinness actually. And just the little bit of ruffling you did.
Right.
It looks like a real leaf.
So I'm going to use all three of these once we place it in the basket. Okay?
Okay.
So now that this one's done like this, we're going to put it back in the fridge.
Back in the refrigerator it goes.
Right? Okay. Then I think I'm going to switch boards here. This is modeling chocolate from Chocopan. Here, we'll cover this up right now.
Yep. So what you just did, you put it in the refrigerator, not the freezer, correct?
Right, because the only reason I put it in the freezer was so that the frosting would harden, and so I could scrape it. And now that the frosting's hardened and the fondant's on it, it doesn't need to be frozen.
Gotcha.
I really don't like freezing stuff. And I don't freeze my cakes before I cut them. I just refrigerate them for, I don't know, a day after they're baked. Half a day, overnight, whatever. All right.
That's a heaping helping of modeling chocolate you got there.
Well, it's kind of a large cake we're trying to cover here.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
How thick are we looking for the modeling chocolate?
You want it really thin.
Oh, we're going thin?
Yeah.
Hence the ginormous rolling pin?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you get the bubbles out as you go?
Sometimes if they're that big, there was a huge one there.
Yeah.
That's just gonna like get worse.
That helps.
Well, modeling chocolate is much stiffer than fondant.
Yes.
Because of the chocolate. And so it's tougher to roll out. You can certainly use beige fondant if you want to. It is fine. You don't have to use modeling chocolate. I just have it. I like to use it. Now, normally I would scrape this. I mean, it's pretty damn perfect, frankly. But I would scrape the top and make it all nice, but I want it rough. So I'm not going to.
Okay.
Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah,
Hopefully everybody's
fine.
okay with that.
I think we're fine.
If you're not, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's a log.
You just saw me scrape, so, okay.
Yeah.
Just so you know. Normally, I would then, see, okay, can you see this swoosh right here? So this is how you can make buttercream cakes look exactly perfect, like they have fondant on them.
Gotcha.
Okay.
We see the swoosh.
See the swoosh? Mm-hmm. So this guy would get that out of there when I scrape it, so it looks perfect. Okay? When you go to scrape it.
Swoosh be gone.
Swoosh be gone. And then it looks absolutely perfect, like it has fondant on it when it doesn't. So for the people that are like super anti-fondant,
Yep.
I'm like, as long as they don't have to have black decorations on white, we're good.